Nirmala Kenyam kana diala kontin barwanye lengwasme kenwero online TV channel. Nda manduni chankos nyang malaya nung rwayne gwasme tukon keler bukon lengwasme. Lere me mitok tiang ka war no ko la shanga jandang rid badaka pay baro ron kina dangro jandang rid dich an wala shanga jandang rid bangwan ka pay baro ron kina dangro jandang rid dich. Bana jawe shira la tiang no re kuma ka kirma yadi bana jeling te ke tisha la tiang te ke report min shala tiang ka dung South Sudan Broadcast Corporation ke television ka jawadan chalat gwas magor no bana linkel bikon manana shalat ban je linkel wena mane chana jelinkel ka do bana ni chalat ka ja. South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit on Monday replaced a number of officials in his office and the Deputy Director General of the National Security Service Internal Security Bureau. Kiir removed Lieutenant General Chol Agot Deng as Deputy Director General for Administration and Finance of the Internal Security Bureau, replacing him with Lieutenant General Manud Wall, who was promoted from Major General. Jawa shalat gwasame no Kiir Mayardit tiang ka chanya ndangro bang badak na kapai baro ron kin dangro jan dangro dich no te chane tene de chawoch ka team de ke ka bonde she ram ne la muktäbdä chana woitin muktäbdä wa che ramdana la Deputy Director General ka National Security Service ka Internal Security Bureau wache je woke che joj no she would shall ke Lieutenant General Chol Agot Deng would jane number che woch la ram Deputy Director General and Administration and Finance of the Internal Security Bureau she gwar che kam gudo dien me shall ke Lieutenant General John Manud Wall and would me je promote la Major General and when money ko ngai kon Kiir Mayardit la jawo je dan ka beje moy ka position so che ne ti che ka kwan che charam che wo ke charam do dien che las gwaste no ka jawo na inshallah. The Internal Security Bureau, one of the country's most powerful security institutions, has extensive authority, including the power to arrest individuals without warrant. It is currently led by General Charles Chech Mayor, who was appointed Director General in February. Bona nen kona me mkwaji kwa lo wajane wa kente ken ka power mi dite long la long den long misha long ko long ante ke de je yena tel warga chenga waranti mi chala no nga ga baje yen ba warga la kon gor la ken ya yen lora bang ba ke po bom cha kam par mi di lo tika long ko de ken nak lora bang bo tel mislar power me ke liu kam Kiir Mayardit ka ajana kwa le cholo ken ke Internal Security Bureau no chanetin konen guje no dialo yal ka jen Kiir Mayardit chaka kwanten an bona mamulat konen men go chana chaka wutin mishe Deputy Director monisha jawu ala Deputy Director General no wuri shal ka General Chol Agot Deng wuri she wujane aramkel mi bum but antam Ramadan and la kwer min dini jen wuri shal ka General Charles Chech Mayor kana kon wuje wujane ba cha wini Ramadan la rewde cha gwadje kul muy karada dien nyok mudien chan nyolat gwasame. President also dismissed Ambassador Ajing Deng Ajing as Chief of State Protocol in the office of the President, appointing Yar Peter Machar in his place. Ka jo chikona lingwasame en Kiir Mayardit pointe cha radien che nyo mu je Ambassador wud mishal ka Ajing Deng Ajing a Chief of State Protocol ko office the point and Kiir charadian chelat gwas the Michal ke Yar Peter Machar in his place. Yar Peter Machar money would jangabo ka cha would shall Machar was promoted to grade 1 ambassador and charge promote ka grade 1 ambassador, so position mi di manana sha kama ka jordian mi kan lat gwas me chala do sha would me dodian Michal ka Dominic Jukchum charge judge Jen Executive Director ka office dung President ba dung Kiir Mayardit cha gwara cha radin latin chal Ajing Deng Ajing ka jawadan shikan lat kwasamene Ajing Deng Ajing ja Ramadan chiane ne kenyam cha wo ka Ambassador cha which chief of state protocol in office of the president and tam cha je become gwawut commercial ke Dominic Juk Chum lo cha place the charges swap kana raman yamlo cha woitong mi cha become position to dien ano are kume ka kem yadi Dominic Juk Chum cha je would executive director no won ka point the president kiir yadi office cha ajing deng ajing man cha which chief of state protocol cha blat gwawut kana mene chicken jomo chicken a lot no in the national parliament Kiir appointed Madud as a lawmaker filling the seat left vacant by the death of his father Madud the late lawmaker represented the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement in the transitional national legislative assembly jo chalat gwasame shamr dian chanyo gore ka Kiir bon mandodian ka national parliament ano ngai ko national parliament ala jo chanyo lat gwasman dio dongde na de ka gajelong so take a wood mishal ka Arab dio ja Madud jena queer mila lawmaker ka national parliament no wal jen mishali woni wacha gade chaja point ka gwade gade chale Madud mo cha kwen gwan ala lawmaker gwan ndana chiliu ke chi yede cha jiɛɛn ko wa medane chi gwan me chiliu wa chi vacant ke position de shala free lo teleram titin no ka Sudan People Liberation Movement ala kuma Kiir yadi so she gade chalo gwan so right now murai kono no ngumlet Kiir yadi mishir kana mone mishiran chi gwan chiliu so bejik be bagad bejelat gwan system wa yot ke jana wala jalab la system la ja use la ja gujano mishi gwanra mo mishi liu kato gada teten ba gada beje kam gorkera mishi kana mone so dio ga jeno donga jena danan use Kiir yadi den tam because ngume de to de Kiir dar mishi kana de la donen ngume kana position kan ja kamrada dieno katine de wantin te la law makar te tere wi ka so Sudan mali bana gadut kana mano gadut ka mishi li wona no beje kam gwade donc de kon gujeno yes this is a issue Kiir problem because no the position de liam na jagada ma gaya kon mo don kwa system jalab use mo war system and then nobody know in the national parliament Kiir appointed Madud as a lawmaker filling the seat vacant by the death of his father Madud the late lawmaker represented the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement in the transitional national legislative assembly ajan do bashalen gwazmen o cha garame cha ja composition gwan no ko chi gwan ti yede jiɛɛn Madud janam dana chalat gwan shalke Madud cha jo bisit kana me cha jalat ke state television akume Kiir yadi ka jo dana chalat ke ja na me amle harode ne di tie kene te cha wi tiang no ka shanya ndangro badak ka wera ron kina dangro diech ka pai baro Kiir yadi so Kiir is still looking for solution chere mangai kona ajan jodan en gore no de nyaga yakel so we are expecting more degree ka kor gwadan be dong bane wan ba ko je long chere manen yen bane de cha wi ti ka jang korodien tinte ka muktab Kiir yadi ko Kiir yadi cha ja saron neken tela jang akane tin kona tikel ke jam ne de pai yen shoot kelen gwasme shika ji ko tare shika Nuer but ka jang purely jang karodian so jan jawdana gode nywa yekel ani bana jegmudien biate kama bye bye